Find features that distinguish it from other brands for BOSYTRO 120W stage lights, moving head lights, and why you should choose. Because it consists of the following features: 8x 10W vivid beam plus 8x 5W high brightness strobe. This stage light consists of 8x 10W LED beam sources on both ends. Beam colors include red, green, purple, blue, and white, mixed colors. Each beam source is upgraded with a high brightness gold strobe source next to it. With the special light sources, party lights, a cool stage atmosphere is created. Double head special light effect. This is a double head moving head light with two special light sources, one red, the other green, set on both ends, with the basic 8 beams and high brightness strobe. The vibrant light sources keep changing with the rhythm, disco light, which can satisfy the sense of festive atmosphere that you want to create. 4 modes plus 2 moving angle. The stage moving headlamp offers DMX modes, 17 channels, as well as master slave, sound activation, and auto control, fast, slow, options. Movable angle x-axis, 0 to 540 degrees, y-axis 0 to 360 degrees, infinite rotation, special light sources for party. The light source irradiation position is wide enough to create a full area immersive lighting scene. Easy to install and use. Disco lights can be used squarely on a horizontal stage, or upside down on a stand or stage's U-hook using accessory hooks plus screws. For home parties, it is suitable. Rave lights for autonomous mode, fast, slow, / voice activated mode, max console mode. Professional lighting technicians can choose the desired mode effect on demand. Wide application range. DJ lights are equipped with a variety of lighting effects, such as RGBW hybrid dimming, RGBW water effects, beam lights with bright colors and varied changes. Red and green special light sources with special beam effects. The stage lights are perfect for clubs, DJ shows, family gatherings, dance halls, KTV, concerts, parties, and other venues. Strobe light for parties. They are also ideal for party enthusiasts and professional lighting technicians. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.